Creating great tasting, healthy meals starts with selecting the right ingredients. For example, buying locally grown organic produce will make a big difference in how your recipe tastes, especially when using porous fruits and veggies like berries and broccoli. Bagged salad is a great time saver, but the freshness and flavor of freshly chopped lettuces and veggies can make a huge difference in taste and nutrition. When possible, always choose fresh over processed. Consider these easy tips. Choose lemons that are bright yellow with a smooth skin. A greenish color means they may not be quite ripe. And coarse textured skin with dry patches indicates they are overripe. Also choose lemons that feel heavy for their size. Their skins will be thinner, making them easier to squeeze. They'll also taste less sour. When buying pre-packaged chicken breasts at the grocery store, check to see that they're slightly shiny, light pink in color, and that the juices in the package are fairly clear and not dark or thick. As with all meat, check the label for packaging date and sell-by date, and choose the youngest meat packaged. Choosing spices becomes an art because most chefs have fun blending different spices together. Adding good quality spices can enhance the flavor of a dish quickly and inexpensively. You can purchase spice blends to get started, then experiment with your own combination next time you cook. Whole spices are available that you can grind yourself, or you can use jarred spices that are already ground or flaked. Check the label for expiration date. Spices are fresh for up to 6 months. They can become moldy or dry. While commonly used spices like salt can be purchased in bigger sizes, consider buying spices in small quantities, particularly as you test your taste buds. A little spice goes a long way. For more fun tips, spicing up your next meal, and fun in the kitchen, check out firsttothetable.org.